Day 10 on 10-day turnaround. I'm certain you're happy about this. Stop silencing yourself. Political savvy. Power bends. Yeah, it does. To effectively lead your business of You Incorporated, you will need to establish yourself as the sole influencer of you, the sole source of you. You will need to communicate with yourself thoughtfully in order to gauge and build momentum in the direction of your goal. You will need to address yourself, not deal with yourself. A politically savvy individual would always address a possible voter. You want to be voting for yourself. And so you will address yourself as nobility in order to get yourself a vote for you. So, this momentum of change in communicating with yourself as nobility is called a sequencing strategy. And the sequencing strategy begins by talking to those parts of you with influence and bringing the weaker, more undeveloped parts of you on board carefully to decrease the likelihood of mobilizing potential opposition. This is very important. There are parts of you that don't want you to change. So you want to bring them on board with support, with thoughtfulness. Address them with respect. So this is also a form of self-sabotage. It's a part of you that doesn't want you to change. So once you realize yourself as the sole source of your entire world, and that you move using both logic and influence, you will begin to lead yourself rather than shutting yourself out of the discussion. So you will all include all parts of you. Thoughtful communication with yourself will move you step by step to a place you would have never gone in a single leap. Okay? Self-leadership is always a conglomeration. It's a community effort with unity, community. That means with unity. So everybody's on board, everybody's working together. We are all going and we are all taking these steps together. Emotional intelligence, empathy, and influence are essential leadership currencies. This is a currency. So when you pay attention, you are using a currency. You are paying attention to you and all the parts of you. So you are going to use your emotional currency. You are going to use your empathetic currency. You are going to use your influential currency. And you are going to pay attention to all parts of you so that you are listening to yourself. Where are you avoiding an uncomfortable conversation with yourself or downplaying your own voice to keep yourself out of the situation? Here's your practice today. Ask yourself one uncomfortable question about your current circumstance that you have been avoiding, and then write an answer to that question and speak that answer aloud. Listen to yourself totally without interruption and give the stage to that answer. Be courageous in taking ownership of that answer, knowing now that you own it, that you have all the power to change it. Put your uncomfortable question in real-time answer in the comments below. My guess is this discussion was provocative and life-changing for you. Show in the comments how you learn to listen to yourself without condemnation, without demonizing, and without weaponizing yourself. Live deliberately. Namaste.